of the weirdest things I keep in my car, it's a barf bag. This I found when I was working at a hospital. They have like these little barf bags on the go that you can buy at Amazon. And it's amazing because you never know when your kid's gonna get car sick and you just hand them the bag. You can just throw it away. You don't have to worry about cleaning it up. I love to have these tooth wipes for my kids to help them make sure they're preventing cavities. And so these are amazing. And then I love to have xylitol gum and mints to help them prevent cavities. I really love to pull these out on the way to school, give them a couple of mints or a piece of gum on the way into school to kind of help make sure they're buffering against acid. And then same thing when I pick them up. Anytime we're in the car, it's time for some mints or gum. An umbrella is a must. Hair clips for my hair. Baby wipes, you never know when you're gonna need to clean up a mess. I like to have a spare pull-up for my toddler just in case. You definitely need snacks because my kids are constantly hungry.